Ford India has announced that it is shutting down its vehicle manufacturing operations in our country. The manufacturer has revealed that it will immediately stop producing cars for India, although manufacturing will continue for a while for export markets. Due to the falling sales volumes, the manufacturer has accumulated massive losses amounting close to $2 billion. Ford will shut down the manufacturing plant at its Sinnar facility by Q4 of 2021, but the Chennai engine and vehicle assembly plants will continue to operate till Q2 of 2022. Ford will continue to sell vehicles in Indian market, but the new models will be limited to low volume NICs including the Mustang and Ranger.